Hi everybody. I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday to get a couple of things. I'm working on a schedule for a cricket camp that I'm going to be doing at a local crafting store, and I just wanted to get a couple of props for the pictures for the website. Well, just went down the rabbit hole. I don't typically do hauls, but I got so many cool things. Now, if you're not familiar with Dollar Tree or if you don't shop at them, it's hit and miss. And if you get there on a day where they've just got a shipment or the day after, their shelves are stocked. That was yesterday. So I'm going to share everything that I got and just, reach out there for ideas on what you would do. This is a sign, and it's made out of the chalkboard. Oh, look what I did that actually. That's kind of a bummer. I'm going to make something 4th of July-ish on here. I'm thinking maybe some vinyl, and I can hang it on the pillar at my front door. That's super cool. Now, everything is not $1 at that store, just so you know. I think this was like $1.29. Which is perfectly fine with me. Okay, so I'm going to set this over here. Okay, or I'll just let it fall on the floor. I saw these. So looking through social media websites, I saw a couple of people use some the white liquid chalk, and what they did was they painted it with the liquid chalk, and I believe they let it dry, and then they used Mod Podge and a napkin. So, and then they sprayed it with, I don't know if it's liquid resin or what it was, but I'll have to go back and look. But anyway, I'm gonna make coasters out of these. Cute, right? Beach themed coasters, maybe. Because it's all about summertime right now. I bought these two little things here. They could be signs, I guess. I could put a little hook right there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. So what would you do with this? Isn't that cute? Would you paint it? And where would you use it? Also this. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But I like it, and I'll figure it out. Again, let me know what your ideas are. Okay, so I was talking about the props that I needed for the pictures I have to take for the website of the cricket camp stuff that I'm doing. And I found some of these. Oh, I actually got that wet. All right, I have to get another one of those. So I'm going to be teaching people how to do stickers on Cricut Design Space. Stickers and decals. And I'm going to just show you kind of what I came up with. Now, these are all Cricut Design Space decals, like this. It's a basics class, so I'm not going to be showing them how to design a sticker themselves, but how to take it off of Cricut Design Space. So those are the little stickers that I found, and I have a bucket in here somewhere, but I don't see it. Oh, here it is. It's going to be my other prop in my picture, so I'll have these three things, and then I'll put one of the stickers or several of the stickers on here. So that's that plan. I have a great nephew that will be happy to take these glasses. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these because I don't know any little girls. And then this here, I was going to put stickers on here as well. But yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I don't know how I got that wet. All right. Another thing I did, speaking of going down the rabbit hole, is I ended up on, I believe it was TikTok, and one of the creative people made a rosette with these bags. I will do a separate video on these, but what she did basically is alternate the colors, and if you glue all these together, they fan out and they make a rosette. Hard to explain, but that's what I'm going to do. They meaning the place I'm going to be teaching the Cricut classes, want me to do inspirational decals. So I bought this little candle here, and I'm going to put something on here like not like You Are My Sunshine, but you're something that will inspire somebody, like yeah, I guess like You Are My Sunshine or something like that on here, and then they can put that, okay, in their bathroom, wherever they want. Now the biggest thing, not biggest as in biggest, but the thing that I have been looking for all over the place and could not find them for less than $10 each. These are storage bins, smart storage containers, collapsible. Now, they're a little flimsy, excuse me, but I'm going to go ahead and I have plenty of chipboard that I'm going to put in here to make it more stable. But this was less, that was like $1.39 or $1.29 or something like that. So I got 12 of them. I need it. I have cubbies that I'm just shoving paper in right now. This is kind of an odd thing to share, but lately I have been using alcohol inks. It is my new addiction. I'll be happy to do a video on those soon, but it's a really good idea when you're using alcohol inks to cover your workspace, and these are perfect for it because they're just 22 inches by 22. I have very large potty mats that I use for my bunnies because they're house bunnies, and they're actually potty trained. It's crazy. Very smart bunnies. So I got that. Okay, now here I am going in, getting all this stuff, you know, for work per se. And I go meander down this one aisle, trying to get all this out of here. And I got something that I absolutely do not need, but I couldn't pass it up. I got a sunflower set. Now, yes, I do sublimate mugs. I could have done this myself, but not for this cheap. So I got 4 of these, and I got the little salad plate that matches. And, oh, but there's more. I got the little cereal bowl that goes with that. And last but not least, I got the dinner plate. So I'm super excited about setting up my table with these. They're so cute. My gosh. I could not sublimate bowls because I don't have the proper heat press sort of thing, but wow. Love this. It's like $5 a set. So super happy with that. Okay, so recap. I am going to do a video on alcohol inks. I will do a video on what I'm going to end up doing with these, and the sign, the big 4th of July sign, because 4th of July is coming up. All right, everybody, any questions or comments, do so in the comment section. And go Dollar Tree. Yay. Have a great day.